One day, a fisherman went down to the river, just as he had done countless times before. He cast his heavy net into the flowing water and sat quietly on the riverbank. As he waited, his mind wandered to the busy market. He imagined a net filled with shining silver fish and dreamed of the money he would earn from a great catch.
After a while, the fisherman felt a strong tug on his net. Excited, he believed he had caught many fish. With skill and effort, he pulled the net from the river. But when it surfaced, his joy disappeared. Caught in the wide mesh was only a single tiny fish.
Suddenly, the little fish spoke. "Oh, fisherman," it pleaded, "please let me go and return me to the river." The fisherman ignored it at first, but the fish continued, speaking wisely, "If you spare my life, I will bring all my friends here tomorrow. You will catch more fish than you have ever seen." The fisherman thought carefully. One small fish seemed worth giving up for a future full of riches. Agreeing to the deal, he gently threw the little fish back into the river.
The next day, the fisherman returned with great hope. He waited patiently, but the river remained quiet. The clever fish never returned. By using its intelligence, it had saved its life. Moral: in difficult moments, clever thinking can be more powerful than strength. Wisdom often helps us escape the traps we face in life.